Welcome to GMath. In this module, we are going to understand the concept of solutions using slope. Okay. In the previous module, we related the coefficients. Yeah. And then we were able to know whether the lines are going to be intersecting, parallel, or overlapping. But here, the same concept we are going to understand, but with the help of slope. Okay. So let's get started. We have taken the same equations. These are the two equations. The first equation is x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Second one is this. In this case, the lines are intersecting. The lines are intersecting means their slopes will be different. Suppose if the first one, okay, first line, its slope is m1, and the second line, its slope is m2. In the case of intersecting lines, their slope will be different. M1 will be not equal to m2. Now you'll ask me how to get slopes. If you remember slope intercept form, y is equals to mx plus c. We will use this to determine the slope, where m is the slope and c is the y intercept. Okay. What we will do, each equation we will convert it in this form and get the slope. For example, the first equation is there, x plus y plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay. From this, we'll keep y on the left side, transfer all the others to the right. So y is equals to plus x goes to the right as minus x, plus 3 goes to the right as minus 3. So in the first equation, the slope is minus 1. So m1 is equals to minus 1 we get. Same way, let us go for the second equation. Second equation is x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. X minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. I'll just transfer this y that side. Basically, we have to separate y, right? So I'll just transfer this y to that side. So I get x plus 1 is equals to y, or simply it is y is equals to x plus 1. Okay. So can you see the slope of x here? It is 1. So can I say m2 is 1? You see m1 is minus 1, m2 is 1. Can you see the slopes are different? That is why the lines are intersecting, or they have only one unique solution. Okay. Now the next case, parallel lines. Parallel lines means no solution. When are the lines parallel? Suppose these are the two equations given. When their slopes are equal. So you can check it. The first case, 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. We will write it in this form, slope intercept form. Okay. So let us write it. So 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0 was the first equation. We will just transfer this y that side. So what I get is 2x minus 1 is equals to y, or I get y is equals to 2x minus 1. Slope of the first line m1 is 2. Similarly, let us get the slope of the second line. Second line is 2x minus y minus 4 is equals to 0. Let us write it in the slope intercept form. We'll just separate y, send that y to right side. So what you get is 2x minus 4 is equals to y, or you get y is equals to 2x minus 4. Okay. Now look at the slope, compare it with this slope intercept form. The slope is 2. So slope of the second equation, second line, m2 is also equal to 2. So when the slopes are equal, we say the lines are parallel. Also, clearly you can see here the y-intercepts are different, minus 1, and here it is minus 4. Y-intercepts are different, slopes are equal. So the lines are parallel lines, or the equations have no solution. And the last case is overlapping lines or infinite solutions. Now, these are the two equations that are given to you. Again, we'll write this in the slope intercept form. So first case, x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. We'll just separate that y that side. So what I get is x minus 2 is equals to y, or I get y is equals to x minus 2. So here the slope is nothing but 1. m1 is equals to 1. Okay. Now the second equation also we will write it in the slope intercept form. So 2x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. We'll transfer this minus 2y to that side. So what we get is 2x minus 4 is equals to 2y. For writing in this form, y-intercept form, we have to keep only y. no 2y and all. So we can write this as 2y is equals to 2x minus 4. So in order to keep only y, we will divide throughout by 2. When you divide throughout by 2, what you get? Y is equals to this 2 upon 2 will become 1, 1x, and minus 4 upon 2 will become minus 2. Okay, so can you see you got the same equation when you write it in the slope intercept form? Look at the slopes are also equal. M2 is also equals to 1. But how will you come to know that the lines are overlapping lines? I want you to look at the y-intercept, same y-intercept also. When the y-intercept is same, that means the lines are going to overlap and the equations have infinite. So this is second approach. Using slope intercept form, we can find the slope and intercept, and we can find out what type of solution or how the lines are going to be. Okay, so that completes this module. Thank you.